In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get a WordPress page ID. This is a handy skill, especially if you're customizing your site or using plugins that need page-specific settings. First, head over to wordpress.com and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look at the left-hand panel and click Pages. Here, you will see a list of all the pages on your site. Next, click on the title of the page you want to find the ID for. This opens the page in edit mode. Now, look at the URL in your browser's address bar. You will see a part of the URL that says something like post equals 123. That number is your page ID, a unique identifier WordPress assigns to every page. Knowing your page ID is useful for advanced customizations, plugin settings, or troubleshooting. Just make sure you're in edit mode. Otherwise, the ID won't appear in the URL. And that's it. You've successfully located your WordPress page ID. Use this knowledge to unlock more advanced features and get the most out of your site. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more WordPress tutorials